Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Thoughtful Leaders, an initiative under Thoughtful Education by collegegreener.com. Today we have with us Mr. Chandan Mahimkar, faculty at Ecole Intuit Lab, Mumbai. Welcome to the show, sir.
Thank you.
Yeah. So I would like to begin this session by enlightening our audience with a brief introduction of yours. So Mr. Chandan Mahimkar is a multidisciplinary designer, a creative director, a typographer, letterer, and a writer. He has created identities and ad campaigns for some of the most noted brands and companies in India. Mr. Chandan runs his own design studio in Mumbai and is working on Indian and international projects. Mr. Chandan was the former CCO of L&K Saatchi & Saatchi, India, and the founder of its design division. Mr. Chandan has taught and mentored over 400 designers and creatives across India and through the world through his workshops, webinars, lectures, and portfolio reviews. His love for space design has helped him co-create and design one of the most loved bars and restaurants in Mumbai and Pune. Mr. Chandan's lettering work has been consistently published in some of the most reputed books in US, Good Type, and Australia, Typeism. His work has also been featured by iAmsterdam, Passion Passport, Project Van Life, Design Sponge, Design Milk, AIGA, and the Washington Post. So, welcome again, sir. Beginning with the interview, my first question to you is, could you please share some of your past experience, and could you also share to our audience how your experience has been so far with Ecole Intuit Lab?
I've been associated with Ecole Intuit now for 2 years. I started, before that I did a few workshops using the campus of Intuit Lab, and that's how I got to know their dean and some of the office bearers. And I liked the vibe. I liked how open they were to professionals. Post that, I also got an opportunity to meet their founders in Paris 2 years ago. And it just, the discussion just went forward. They offered me the role of faculty, which is not a time-consuming job because I anyway run my design studio, and being a faculty means being available for a few hours in a week for Lab 2 students. So I thought it was an interesting proposition because I was anyway doing workshops within India and around the world. So it was a perfect fit for me then, and the 2 years has been really great. I have nurtured almost and mentored almost around 40 students now in the past 2 years. Both the second year, which we call Lab 2 in Intuit Lab. My teaching comes from my own background in typography, creating identities, branding, packaging, advertising campaigns, and so on and so forth. My practical knowledge in the industry is what helps me nurture and mentor design students, young design students. Because what happens in most design institutes is they teach the fundamental and basics, and eventually what is applicable in the industry is not taught. So we as faculty in Intuit Lab, we definitely give them the fundamentals, objectives, strategic learning, and also teach them practical knowledge that is useful in the industry, whereby you can apply the design skills. And generally, it has been a great 2 years where I've got the opportunity to. So, of course, once you become a faculty, you go beyond just your teaching hours and make sure that you are available for your young design students and help them stay more, and also help them in their projects, and meant generally to become great designers. Okay.
Thank you, sir. So beginning of the interview, my first question to you is, could you please share with us your experience in your professional career and your experience so far with the Ecole Intuit Lab Institute.
Yeah. So I have been in the advertising and design industry for over 2 decades now in India. And I have launched some of the largest brands like Kent water purifiers, Tata Indica, Bombay Dyeing, Kotak Mahindra Insurance. There are so many brands in so many categories. Raheja, real estate. There are so many brands that are built from scratch, right from naming the brands to creating an identity, then launching them through ad campaigns. Brands like ITC, Fiamma, and Vival were created and launched by me and my team in my earlier agency. So I have been in advertising, playing the role of designer, art director, later group head, and then becoming a creative director, and eventually becoming chief creative officer of Loin Kenneth Saatchi & Saatchi in India. And I also founded Saatchi & Saatchi's design division, Loin Kenneth Saatchi & Saatchi's design division in 2009. Till the time I decided to move on my own and start my own design studio in Mumbai. I'm working for some of the most like-minded clients who are willing to go ahead and create brands and communication with my sensibilities, like Rockman, Sassy Spoon, House of Mandarin, WTF, The Bar, Tanjore Tiffin Room. I have also created niche brands in food industry as well. So my experience has been multidisciplinary. Along with that, since last 11-12 years, I've also ventured into space design and therefore the restaurants, wherein I don't just create name and identities and branding for the restaurants, but I also do space design for these restaurants, which I just named. Few of the names I'm not taking because of lack of time, but there are around 15 restaurants that I have created in terms of naming, branding, and space design in Bombay and Pune. And I also love to travel. And one of my travels 2 years ago, I went to Paris and had the opportunity to meet Ecole Intuit Lab founders. And I found them to be very down to earth. They also coincidentally run their own design agency in Paris for many, many years now, almost 2 decades. So we vibe pretty well. And the dean of Intuit Lab in Mumbai had already approached me to become a faculty, and I thought these are really, really nice new age thinking people, very down to earth. They exactly know what they are doing, and my interest in teaching goes long back. So I got an opportunity to teach for Lab 2 in India in Intuit Lab, and that's how it's been now for the past 2 years.
Okay, sir. So this brings me to the next question. Since you're associated with Ecole Intuit Lab for like a year, for nearly 2 years, could you please explain to our audience like the extracurricular activities or programs which are present in the institute for enhancing the skills of the students, or rather I would say exposing them to the real world challenges?
Yeah. Every faculty tries their best to bring in the real world knowledge that they have learned. With me, what I try to do is I conduct design, lettering, and typography workshops at regular intervals for my students. What I also do is I inspire them in the subject of typography through world culture by taking them through type walks, and travel and for typography are pretty go very hand in hand. Students find that very, very interesting to learn about typography through cities and architecture, and eventually get into fundamentals of typography through these off-track way of looking at typography, not very bookish and nerdish way of looking at typography. So this is my way of expanding their knowledge for my subject, which is typography. And eventually they imbibe greater design skills through learning, kind of a very wholesome learning that I try to put in my curriculum, besides the fundamental learning that I give them.
Okay, sir. So this brings me to the next question. How does the curriculum here at this institute ensures that the students are being prepared for the future?
Students in Intuit Lab India are given live projects with agencies, organizations, and studios. Also, international acclaimed designers and teachers outside India, which I mean, are encouraged to come in and give master classes and workshops to our students. And since I myself do such workshops, it becomes very easier to understand why these renowned designers and educators bring a lot of value in the students' knowledge. Students also do internships with top design studios and agencies and organizations. And I personally plan their assignments in a manner which take them gradually from initial time knowledge to maximum knowledge, pushing their thinking, design skills, and craft as they complete their lab 2. So that's how we make sure that our students are prepared not just for the industry but for the future.
Okay, sir. So my next question to you is, how do you try to bring in a practical approach towards the subjects and make the students the industry ready?
Since I myself am from the advertising and design industry in India, I very well understand that what is exactly that creative directors, design heads are looking at from young design students. So therefore, I make sure that I give them briefs which push the students' design craft and their ability to solve business problems. And besides teaching strong design fundamentals and typography fundamentals, I strive to push them towards highest quality of design craft by sharing my own case studies with them and some of the most trending and legendary case studies in the world of design since past 10 years. And I give special focus on design research and learning category insights, which eventually will help them score very well in the industry.
Okay, sir. So my next question to you is in continuation with one of the previous questions. How do you try to bring in a practical approach? What are the interventions and the approaches you bring in apart from the curriculum to train and teach the students?
So besides the briefs that I share with them, besides the craft and fundamentals that I teach them, I make sure that I'm also sharing the top-notch design case studies, whether those are designed by me or anybody else in the world. And these are very important for young designers to learn from, so that they understand how to solve a real problem in today's world when it comes to design capability. I've also started doing something very different. I arrange lectures of foreign educators for my design students few times in a month, so that they get to learn from the best of the best in the industry. So these are recorded sessions which I make sure are available for my design students. And these are some of the top-notch influential designers of the world who have been working with top brands and top initiatives in the world. So these case studies help our design students a lot. And of course, as I told you earlier, my own workshops and capability to put interest in the subject of typography through type walks around the world help them a lot.
Okay, sir. So my next question to you is, what would you like the audience and other people to know about Ecole Intuit Lab, which they may not know?
Intuit Lab actually is since I've been involved in teaching for Intuit Lab for past 2 years, I can surely say that between Intuit Lab and all the faculties, all of us put together, we are a community of design thinkers and doers. We are all industry experienced and a very highly motivated faculty. So that is the biggest asset that Intuit Lab has in India. And of course, there are other branches throughout the world. We make sure that our students are exposed to international speakers, designers, and educators, top notch, in fact, not just any other. And therefore, working with top design industry experts within India or abroad is a biggest plus point when it comes to student learning. And other than us, there is a portfolio review that happens every 6 months, where students are evaluated, criticized. There is a fine tuning and feedback, constructive feedback given, so that the learning is at a super high level, not just with the faculty, but with industry leaders within India.
Okay, sir. So my next question to you is, what do you personally see as the greatest strengths of this institute?
The greatest strength is, of course, the faculty, and equals understanding, Intuit Lab's understanding in the field of design learning and design teaching is vast, because Intuit Lab is present in 3 continents. With 5 different schools in these 3 continents. And that gives a knowledge and pool of higher understanding of what's happening in the world today in terms of business, problems faced, sustainability, climate change, all of that. Our faculty understands in these 3 different continents. And therefore that learning is put into the curriculum, which becomes a greatest strength that any design school would have, which is very rare in today's world. And along with academic learning, the school focuses on industry practices and the ideas which are key to create the next generation of design thinkers and doers.
Okay, sir. So this brings me to the last question for the day. Any advice or suggestions you would like to give to current youth and aspiring designers?
My advice would be that if you're passionate about design, if you're passionate about your art and creativity, then start expressing it freely. Don't wait for anybody's, nudge to you. Start expressing yourself, and you will find there are institutes like Intuit Lab in India, which will help you formalize that passion and put it constructively into a career path for you. For me, I think design and typography are omnipresent. We are surrounded by design and typography everywhere on a given day. Right from waking up in the morning, we are indulging in brands, to the moment we sleep, we are indulging with binge watching on Netflix. So everything is design, typography. So I think once you get inspired by that, it is extremely satisfying and challenging as design becomes a career opportunity. And therefore, from passion and hobby, it can easily transform into a career opportunity if you plan your passion and hobby very well in your initial years.
Thank you very much, sir. This was certainly an insightful session for our audience.
Great. I'm happy to have contributed to your viewers.